Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Python interview hack series by Python Academy. In this video we will see how to sort an array using sorting algorithm. In previous videos we have seen how to sort an array using binary search algorithm, bubble sort and selection sort. In this video we will see how to sort an array of integers using merge sort algorithm.
Problem statement. Given an array of integers, sort the array in ascending order using merge sort algorithm. Understanding the algorithm. In this algorithm, we follow three steps. First is divide, second is conquer, third and final, combine. First, divide by finding the number q of the position midway between P and R. Second, conquer by recursively sorting the subarrays in each of the two subproblems created by the divide step. That is, recursively sort the subarray PQ and recursively sort the subarray Q plus 1 R. Final step, combine by merging the two sorted subarrays back into the single sorted subarray ER.
Let's see how merge sort works. So here's our unsorted list 6, 5, 12, 10, 9, 1. So in order to divide this list into two parts, we will have to find the middle element. So how to find the middle element? We will divide the length of list by 2. So length of the list is 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So we got 3 as the middle part. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 is our middle element. So from here our list will be divided into two parts. So the first part we got is 6, 5, 12 and the second part we got is 10, 9, 1. So now in this list there are three elements and we have to further divide it into sublist until we get one element in each list. So let's see how to divide that. So in this list there are three elements. So and our middle element is 5. So our list will be divided into further two parts. First list 6, second list 5 and 12. So here we got the one element, so no further division is possible. So now we will perform the divide step on this list 5 and 12. So now we are dividing this list into further two parts, that is 5 and 12. So now here we got one element in each sublist. So now we will compare these elements, this list with one another, and we will sort it in ascending order. So we are checking if the first element is greater than the second element. No, it is smaller. So this list is already sorted. These elements are already sorted. So now we are merging this. Now there is one element left, that is 6. So now we have to sort these two lists. So let's check if is 6 less than 5? No. But is 6 less than 12? Yes. So now it will be sorted like this 5, 6 and 12. So this part of the list is sorted. Now let's perform the same operations on this part of the list, that is 10, 9, 1. So this will there are also three elements in this list, so it will be divided into further two lists. So first list is 10 and second list is 9 and 1. So here we got the one element, so no need to divide further, but here we have two elements, so let's divide these two elements. So now we are dividing this list and we got the two sublists, that is 9 and 1. Now let's compare these two lists and see which has the smallest element. So this list has smallest element because 9 is greater than 1 and 1 is the smallest. So we merge the list by sorting it. So now we got the list 1 and 9. So now we have two lists here, 10, 1 and 9. So let's compare these two lists. Is 10 less than 1? No. Is 10 less than 9? No. So now this 10 will be added to the end of the sorted list, and that is 1, 9, 10. So now we got two sorted lists, that is 5, 6, 12 and 1, 9, 10. So now these two lists are sorted within, but now we want to combine two lists in a sorted ascending order. So now we will check element one by one and sort the list and combine it. So in the end we got the sorted list, that is 1, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12.
Now let's see how to write the code for merge sort using Python. Here I am defining a function merge sort and passing the parameter list1. If length of list is greater than 1, what this will do, it will check if the length of list that we are dividing into 2, if the length of list is greater than 1, only then it will divide further. But when the length of list is equals to 1, it will stop dividing. Okay. So mid equals to length of list truncated division 2. This will help us found middle element of the list. Now we found the middle element of the list, and now we will divide the list in sublist left part and sublist right part. So sublist left equals to list 1 in bracket starting from 0 till the middle element, that will be our first sublist. Middle element will not be included in the left list. Sublist right, list 1 starting from middle element till the end of the list. So this will be our second list. Now here we are using recursive function to further divide the list into sublist. So here I am calling the merge sort and passing sublist left, and here I am passing sublist right. So if we don't give this if condition, then we will get the error saying maximum recursion depth exceeded while calling Python object. That's why this if condition is necessary. Now we have divided our original list into sublists till the part where only one element is present in each sublist. So now we can compare the element of each list, sort them and merge them in sorted order. So to compare the element of each list, I will need index of the list. So for the index, I am taking three variables I, j, and k. And as the index of the list start with 0, I am assigning 0 to all the variables. So I is to access the index value of left list, j is to access index value of right list, and k is for merged list. So while I is less than length of sublist left and j is less than length of sublist right, now I am comparing two lists. So if sublist left is less than sublist right, then if this condition is true, I will add I to the list k. And now I will increment the index of left list by 1 and increment the index of merged list by 1. If this condition is not true, if I is not less than j, if j is smaller, then I will add the element from sublist right to the merged list. So list 1 k equals to sublist right j. Now here I am incrementing the list j by 1 and incrementing the list k by 1. Now we have compared the element of left list with the right sublist, and now we have merged it. So now these two conditions are to check if there is any element left in our sublist left and sublist right. If any element is remaining that has not been merged, we will check this condition. While I is less than length of sublist left, list 1 k equals to, now we are adding that uh, remaining element to the merged list. So list 1 k equals to sublist left I. Now here we are incrementing the index of I by 1 and incrementing index of k by 1. Now this loop is to check if any element is uh, left unmerged in the sublist right. So while j is less than length of sublist right, we will add that element to our merged list. So list 1 k equals to sublist right j. Now here we are incrementing the index of j by 1 and index of k, that is merge list, by 1. So here is our list, unsorted list 6, 5, 12, 10, 9, 1. I am using the same list that we used to give the example for your better understanding. So now here I am calling the merge sort function and passing this list. Now printing the sorted list. So here you are getting the sorted list, that is 1, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12. So that's how we used merge sort to sort a list. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our Python Academy channel.